दिल्लीचो चीफ सेक्रेटरी हो विजय देव जो आसा आयज हेणे आमच्या स्कुलान एक कर्टसी विजीट दवरल्या. ही वॉन्टेड टू इंटरॅक्ट विथ द स्टुडंट्स, टिचरां कडेन इंटरॅक्शन करूंक सोदता. कशे तरेन जे आमचे इंस्टिट्यूशन जी आसा गोंयान कशे तरेन मुखार सरता, तांकां कितें फॅसिलिटीज कशी प्रोवायड जाता, दिल्लीचे कशे तेंची फॅसिलिटीज आसा स्टुडंट्सांक. आनी हे नंतर जे आसा तो वचोन जे आमचे गोंयचे जो मुख्यमंत्री आसा तेजी जो भेट घेतलो. सो आमी ताका आनी म्हाका दिसता की एक बरें पावल दिल्लीचो चीफ सेक्रेटरी येवन भुरग्यांचे वांगडा इंटरॅक्शन करप, तांकां हें करप, बाबा तांकां कितें डिफिकल्टी आहा तें विचारप. म्हाका ते अशें करून समज ऑफिसर जे आसा IAS ऑफिसर जे आसा स्टुडंटां वांगडा इंटरॅक्शन करपाक लागत. म्हाका दिसता जायतीं प्रॉब्लमां जे आहा जे भुरगे फेस करता, जे भुरगे डिप्रेशनान वयता, तेंचे कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा तें जाणून घेवपाचें काम म्हाका दिसता दिल्लीचो चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो आसा हो विजय देव जो आसा हो करपाक आयज येयला. आनी म्हाका दिसता
Many times in this age, because we have all passed through this age, we have a lot of distractions. Those distractions can be in the form of technology, telephones, mobiles, internet. Don't get distracted. Use technology only to the extent that it is required for your studies. Other than that, it should not become an addiction. This is very important. I'm saying it with experience. Many times children in this age, they feel that this is the time to enjoy. This is the time to have recreational activities. But you take it from me. This is the time for your studies. If you devote from now onwards next 4 to 5 years till you enter into any professional courses, base is this. So do not deviate from studies. This is my elderly advice to all of you. You will remember this advice many years later. Carbon. So you see coal at home, it's just a black piece, but you see a diamond, how sparkling it is. But actually it is just carbon. What is the difference? They say that a coal or a carbon, if it is heated to temperatures above 5000 degrees Celsius, and if it is put under 1 billion atmospheric units of pressure, it turns into diamond. So two things that means, heat and pressure. Now when we study very hard, we are putting ourselves to heat and to pressure. So all of us, before our education, we are like carbon, we are like coals. But we have to become diamond because we have to shine. So two things we will have to go through. Heat. Heat means perspiration. You are studying so hard different subjects, but you are saying no, I will undergo this pressure. So once we go through heat and pressure, what does carbon become? That is what we have. So my best wishes to all of you.